Hi, COMM 130 instructors. My name is Sister Julie Peterson, and I will be going over how to set up a Facebook group with you today for our instructional video. So let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, so first you need to have a Facebook account set up. So if you don't, make sure you do that, set up a free account. Now you're going to need to create a group. So there's two ways you can do this. You can come over here to the group option on this menu bar right here down at the bottom where it says create group, or you can hit this drop down up here next to this question mark and hit create a group. All right. If the group asks you to be a part of BYU Idaho group, make sure you do not do that. Right now it's currently not asking. It used to ask before, and I think it's because I've exited out of it. Yeah. And so it has these options up here. See, working on BYU Idaho University Communications. So it assumes that you want to be a part of that. You say no. Just make sure that it's a private group, but it's not associated with BYU Idaho organization or any other organization that you have in your Facebook. Hopefully that made sense. But anyways, then you're going to put the name of your group, and I'm just going to copy this in here. I like to include the semester it's in, spring, and then the year too as well. Okay, and then my name and the class. And then go ahead and add some people here. If you want, you can add the course lead, which is Eric Libert. You could also add the ORC, which is me, Julie Peterson, to your group. You don't have to add people necessarily. And then make sure that for selective privacy that it is a closed group. And that's to ensure the students that this is closed and private, that they are protected, that other people throughout Facebook will not be seeing their content or their information, or anything that they want to keep private will be private in this group. Only members can see the post. So make sure it is a closed lock group, okay? That it is not a public group. And then go ahead and hit create. Choose your icon that you would like to use for this group. Tough decision. We're going to go guitar this time. I don't know why, but anyways, we're going to. All right, you're in your dashboard or your settings or whatever you want to call this, but this is your group. Okay, what I would recommend doing is adding a cool banner here. You can make your own, or I will be sending you some content that you can design your banner with that kind of matches the course with the logo and the background and all that. So I'll be sending that to you. You can add more members here if you would like, since I'm the ORC, OCR, I don't know, OCR. Anyways, I'm going to add a couple of people to our group that are in our COMM 130 instructional group. Okay, and then description, go ahead and put a description here to complete the group. And then that's really all you need to worry about for the appeal, the visual appeal of the group. But you do need to make sure you change your settings. These are very important settings that you need to change too as well. So right here you have a little menu with your banner. So you have your banner and it says joined here, shared, notifications, and then it has 3 little dots. Click on that button and hit edit group settings. And this is very important you do this. Membership approval right here. This is one of your setting options. By default, it says any member can add or approve members. You do not want to allow that. You don't want people to be able to add whoever they want in there. I had this one semester and I got a spammer in my group and he's just started putting some inappropriate things on my group and it was just super embarrassing. So make sure that you have any members can add members, but admin can approve it. And that's just to ensure that your members don't accidentally add someone. I'm pretty sure my student didn't mean to add that spammer with the inappropriate content. He probably just thought it was an actual student. So it just protects your students and it protects you from any embarrassing situations. So make sure this is checked. And then the second one I am going to highly recommend, but not say it's required, which is posting permissions down here at the bottom. I recommend that you put only admins can post to this group. And the reason why, there's another option that says members can post to the group, but the reason why you want only admins can post to this group is to just ensure that your group is a little bit cleaner and easier to manage. My first semester I had the ability, I had it so that anyone who was part of the group could make posts. And you started losing my draft critiques, you started losing all the content. People were just posting drafts like crazy. People didn't know whether to comment on those, and people would just get lost in there. So it just was chaotic and unorganized. So I always check only admins can post to this group, and then I create posts, a post for question and answers where they can ask questions. And then I have a post for just strictly draft critiques so that students know that this is where they can go to critique drafts or find out or post their draft so it's organized, and or find out what their classmates are saying about their draft. It just creates a lot more organization and order to your Facebook group. I also every once in a while post a comment like share inspiration, like did you find anything fun on the web that you wanted to share with us, or have you seen cool designs that you want to share? Post it here just so that they can still feel like they can post in the group and add inspiration and insights, but that it's more organized into different sections, okay? Then I hit save. And then another recommendation I have, I'm going to go to this group, but this group isn't completed yet. So I'm going to go to my Facebook group in the past. And what I would recommend doing is creating some fun banner ads for your group for draft critiques so that it's easy for students to recognize what this is. Like you could have a question and answer image that you created that you can just post on here. You can have find inspiration and post it here so that students know exactly what the posts are and they feel confident in putting their draft here because they know it's a draft critique post, or they feel confident asking questions. So that's what I would recommend doing for your groups, okay? All right, that's everything. Please let me know if you have any questions, or email me, petersonju@byui.edu, or Eric Libert as well. Okay, thank you.